Hey, good Friday morning to you, Black Oak clients. Ryan Ledden, president of Black Oak Asset Management. It is Friday. It is 7 a.m. It is in your inbox for our breakfast edition or our edition with Breakfast with Black Oak. Excuse me. So it's been a wild week or so. Again, as the recording of this, which again I do on Thursdays because I got to submit to compliance, and then we can issue it out to you on a Friday morning is it's been quite a roller coaster ride, and it just seems like it always happens. When we're on vacation during spring break. Well, obviously last Thursday and Friday were pretty tumultuous, and so as well as Monday was, and then you saw what a giant uptick Wednesday was. And as the recording of this, I'm looking at it, and about a third of it has kind of been given back, if you will, or lost from yesterday's monumental leap forward. But whether the media or the president or whoever opens their mouth and makes an announcement or posts a headline, we never know when those things are going to happen. And we saw on Wednesday when President Trump, and I know there's more details to it, but essentially said the tariffs were going to be put on pause for about 90 days. Well, like we're sitting there doing work, and all of a sudden I look at the ticker, and I mean it's just like straight up. But that the volatility is kind of here to stay. There's still like just news headlines, uncertainty, and volatility is always a thing, but it's just pretty extreme right now. So again, it's a microcosm of why we do not jump in and jump out. Now, there are a bunch of you who are watching this video, clients who reached out and said, yeah, I want to put money in. And we did, and we bought the dip. Now, again, it may dip again, which we're kind of seeing today. But, when there is big dips, again, we don't make knee jerk reactions and get out. But those of you who did put money in, again, the market could continue to go down, but you bought it on sale 15, 20, 10%. You bought it on sale. So you knew you bought it on sale based off of what it was last week. So that's kind of what we know. And you put money in. So kudos to you out there who did that. And that's me included. So these streaming dips up and down, you never know when they're going to happen. But when they happen, again, we just don't, like I said, we don't move in and out of the market and make crazy decisions. So I've heard from some of you. Some people, it's funny. People who are not clients will be like, "Oh man, your week must be awful." I mean, has it been stressful? Sure. I mean, there's things. It's just like, oh, what are we doing? Like, why is the market reacting? Because again, like I said in my video earlier this week, the market is one thing, the economy is another thing. They're two different things. Sometimes they can be equally aligned, but sometimes they're not, and that's kind of what we're seeing right now. So again, it's a long-term game. It's easy to say, sometimes not easy to do, but it is. And again, we look at history, we look back, we see these line graphs of dips going down, and then boom, we have a correction. Then it goes up and goes down. And I don't have a crystal ball, but I am just going to assume that it's eventually going to recover. We don't know how long it's going to take to recover, but I think it is, and this will be smoothed out. I think of this as very similar to 2020 during COVID. There was just boom, volatility straight down, and then it just quickly recovered. I'm not saying it's going to be the exact same way, but there's a lot of similarities to it. So, anyway, just want to appreciate all of you. We're not making rash decisions. I understand if you want to reach out and have a conversation about it. 100%. That is what we are here for. But again, making drastic changes, no one so far has done that. So again, that's why we're here. That's why we're open to have discussions with people. So just reach out, set up a time with us, and we'll be happy to talk about it. So try to enjoy your weekend, enjoy the Masters. It should be a lovely weekend, and all the best. And I'll send out more videos if we continue this volatility, just to again have a little bit. It's not dialogue, but at least I can portray kind of what we're thinking here in the office. And again, feel free to schedule any time with us. Be happy to do so. All the best.